and take you down for a ride. I take you around my life, jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it.
This is Amy and welcome back to my channel. So it's December officially and I wanted to do something that you can wear for Christmas parties or some other parties that you're gonna attend this December. So for that I got inspired from a Stock by Love outfit that is right here, and I initially wanted to do it in black itself, but then I thought that I keep on doing stuff in black only, and I thought like let's just change it a little bit and make it a little bit more Christmassy. So I decided to go for pure blood red, and this is how the outfit came out. And let me know if I did any justice to what this outfit looks like and what mine looks. So let me know if I nailed it or if I failed it. So yeah, that is it. So I created this outfit using a sari, and I used about 3.5 meters of sari or plain Georgette with for this outfit, and I also used 3.5 meters of rayon fabric, but you can use any kind of flowy fabric, be it crepe or synthetic crepe or a satin, or you can do whatever, but you can't use a stiff cotton fabric for this outfit because that won't look this flowy, and yeah, it won't be that graceful. So yeah, if you like this video so far, do hit that like button, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो हिंदी में देखना हो तो उसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा, आप वहां जाके इसको देख सकते हैं. So now without any further ado, let's get started.
For this you need a plain Georgette sari, a lining fabric of your choice. Now I took rayon, then some sewing awl pins, a scissor, measuring tape and a chalk. Then take the lining fabric and from its one end fold it in half from its width as shown, and then fold it one more time but from its length. Now bring in a t-shirt or a kurta of your fit and fold it into half as shown, and place its folded side over the folded side of the fabric. And then tuck in the sleeves so that you can see the armhole clearly, so that you can trace it later. Then trace the shoulders, armhole and the side seam, and then also mark the neck depth you want for the dress. And then remove the t-shirt. Now I want the neck shoulder to be less, so I'm reducing it to 3 inch in total. You can skip this step if you like, and also I'm increasing the neck depth by 1 more inch, so in total I'm taking 4 inch, and then joining that point with the shoulder point in a straight line to get a V neckline. Now for the length of the entire dress, keep the measuring tape at the shoulder line, and I'm taking about 52 plus 1 inch for seam allowance, so total of 53 inch in length. Then at that point draw a straight line and then join the bottom edge with the side seam like I'm doing in a curved line. And then at the bottom I curved the edge a little as well. You can skip it if you want. And then cut the shape out. Once you cut the shape, you should have 2 such pieces, that would be your front and back. Then cut multiple long straps for the frills of the dress from the sari. I cut out about 2 such long straps of length of about 3.5 meters and width of about 9 inches. Now keep both the front and the back pieces of inside piece wrong side out and stitch the shoulder and the side seams together to close them. Once done, this is how the dress would look. Next, you have to hem the armhole by double folding it inside, but no need to hem the neckline. So next I'm marking lines where I'll be attaching the frills. So first it will be on the neck, then from the neckline I'm gonna mark at about 14 or 15 inch below, and at that point mark a slightly less pointy V as compared to the neckline, and then keep doing the bottom ones as well. Now see, here I have the neck mark, then I left about 15 inch and marked another V, and then from there I kept making more V lines with a gap of about 9 inches because we took straps of 9 inches all the way to the bottom. And also you can see that the V shape gets straighter and straighter as we go to the bottom edge. That's what you need to do as well. Next, prepare the straps of the sari by hemming both its edges. Now I did double fold hemming on one side and and picot on the other. But you can do double folding on both as well if you like, or vice versa. Next, let's attach the straps to the neckline mark first. So take your strap, and since the neckline is V, you can't just curve it to pin it. So you need to place your strap starting from the midpoint and keep the strap little forward so that you can cover the entire V shape as shown, so that the bottom edge point is at the midpoint of the dress like so, and then pin it in place. And then cut the extra strap in a straight line and leave a little extra for seam allowance, which you will understand later. Now, to pin it, fold the top edge of the strap inside of the neckline as shown and pin it in place. Then keep making tiny pleats all the way till you reach the back point, going all the way through the shoulder and then reaching the back.
I take you around my life, jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but I know it, you know it.
Once you reach the back point, cut the back strap in a straight line as well to create that perfect V edge. And then bring that cutout strap and put its edge over the outer V line of the strap, overlapping the already pinned strap to cut it in shape. I hope you guys can understand this by just watching the video. And then just repeat the same steps that we did in the front, that is by pinning it and then keeping the pleats and then making more pleats and going through the shoulder and then coming back to the front. Then just cut the excess, and then before we stitch the necklines pleats, you have to close the open edges of front and back by first pulling them up like this and stitching the open edges together from the inside. Once both the front and back open edges are stitched and are closed, you have to stitch the neckline. Once the neckline is stitched, this is how it will look like. Next, we have to stitch the frills on the next V line we drew, and for that, place the strap wrong side out over the line, and it should be placed a little forward from the midpoint of the V shape, just like we did for the neckline. And keep making pleats as you go over the V mark, just the way we did for the neckline, okay? See, I have pinned the entire V with the strap which has pleats, and for this I have only two open edges, and that is in the back and not in the front. Next, stitch the open edges from the wrong side itself and then stitch the straps in place just the way we pinned it, that is wrong side out, so that when you flip it right side out, this is how it will look. Now you just have to repeat the same steps for the rest of the marking we did, and once that is done, finish the bottom edge by double folding it inside. I'll be cutting it a little more, and then I will do the hemming so that the bottom layer of the sari part will look transparent, and that's it.
I take you around my life, jaywalking, crosswalking.
So yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn that notification bell button on so that you guys don't miss any videos from me. Let me know if you have some winter essentials or any winter outfit ideas that you want me to create. Let me know in the comments bar down below, and I'll do that for you guys. So today's feature goes out to Niharika, Akia, and Learn and Create. Thank you so much, guys, for your lovely comments. I really appreciate the love you guys give to me under every video. If you also want to get featured in my next video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bell button on, and comment down below what ideas do you want me to create for this winter, and I'll do that and add a hashtag notification squad so that I know that you have pressed that notification bell button on and you're here for my video within like an hour or so. And yeah, I'll feature 3 of you guys for my next video. By the way, the belt that I showed you guys in this outfit is from Shein, so if you want to get it for yourself, I'll just provide the link in the description box for you guys to check it out. If you create any of my DIYs, including this one, do share it with me on my Instagram page that is right over here, or my Facebook page that is right over here, and you can follow me on both these platforms as well if you like. And yeah, I love to chat with you guys, and I love to feature you guys there as well. I'm planning to do a big shout out feature for all the people who create DIYs that are inspired from me, and I'll just broadcast them all in one day. So yeah, I'm collecting all of them. So yeah, do share it with me if you do create any of my DIYs. And now I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.